Okay, no? So as per the definition, the given question is a improper fractions. Okay, no?
Yes.
Not a whole number. There was one more question in which you hadn't not mentioned the whole number properly, the mixed fraction properly. Just 1 minute. Also today I won't be able to connect to the other device. There's some power issue at my place, so won't be able to connect with the camera. Okay, Habib.
Yeah, no problem.
So there was one more question in which you had to tell about the what is the form of the mixed fractions. Mixed fraction, there is one whole number, no? There is whole number, and then there's a proper fraction. Whole number together with a proper fraction makes a mixed fraction, no? Like for example, say you have 7, 3 upon 5. So 7 is the whole number here, and 3 upon 5 is the proper fraction. Getting it? Okay, no?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue further. Sumaya still has not joined, no? Okay. So the last class which we had, there we were learning about the operations on the fractions. Particularly, we were learning about the addition and subtraction of the fractions.
Addition and subtraction.
Particularly about the unlike fraction we were
We
learning
learned
at.
addition, but
So we learned about how we can add the unlike fractions. For the like fraction, it is quite simple. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the subtraction of the unlike fractions. Okay. If you have any doubt from the addition of like fraction, please let me know.
no, I don't.
Okay, then give the topic. Subtraction of unlike fraction.
Done.
Done? Okay. Now to understand this, let us take one example. Say basically we take any example, let us say 3 upon 5 minus 6 upon 7. Minus 6 upon 7. Let us say we have these fractions. So in order to do the subtraction, first of all, as per the step, we have to first of all find the LCM of the denominator, respectively of 5 and 7. So the LCM, we will find it out to be 35. After this, we have to make the fractions like fraction. So 3 upon 5 will be multiplying both the numerator and denominator with 7 in order to equate the denominator to 35. 21 upon 35. And for 6 upon 7, it will be multiplied with again. This will be multiplied with 5 now. So 6 5s
Sir,
are 30.
method is just we have to subtract the numerators.
Exactly. Everything is going to be same. The only difference is of subtraction. So here you have 21 upon 35 and 30 upon 35. Now out of the two, we are seeing that clearly that this numerator is bigger. So it has to be subtracted in this manner. 30 minus 21 upon 35. That will be 9 upon 35. So all the steps are same. You have to follow all the similar steps, but just you have to do the subtraction. So after getting the like fractions, you have to subtract the numerator and denominator will remain same. So I'm going to give some questions, solve those questions. Just 1 minute. Solve these two questions. Habib, what is the LCM you're getting for the first fraction?
35.
Good.
Is the answer 38 by 35?
38 upon 35 you're getting. Okay, let me check. Meanwhile, solve the next question. Habib, you should be getting 2 upon 35. Yes, Habib, look, pay attention to the first question. LCM, you will find it 35, then you will equate it, both the like fractions, both the fraction will be made like fraction by making the denominator equal to 35. So we'll be multiplying 13 upon 7 both by 5 now. So it will be 65 upon 35. 9 upon 5, both of them will be multiplied with 7. So it will be 63 upon 35. So then you should be getting not 38 upon 25, but 2 upon 35. Tell me where you have got it wrong.
I I multiplied 13 into 5. I got 25. I got wrong multiplication.
Okay, okay. Yes, done with the second question. What is the LCM you're getting?
Um, LCM.
Mm-hmm.
LCM 65.
Okay, good.
59. 59 upon 65.
So you're getting 59 upon 65. Okay. Yeah, I think it is correct actually. Because you here you'll be getting it will be 104 upon 65 minus it will be 55 upon 65. Yes, that is correct. Okay. No, just 1 minute. 13 it's a 104 Habib. And 11 fives are 55. 104 minus 55. Do the subtraction once again. It should not be this value. It should be 49 upon 65. Habib, 104 minus 55. You will be getting 49, not 59. Okay. So it's 49 upon 65. You got your mistake where you have done the mistake? Habib, you there in the class?
Yes.
Yeah, you got your mistake now where you have done the mistake?
No, I didn't go.
Not getting it. Okay, see. LCM will be 65, right? No? LCM
Yeah.
will be 65 for this number. Okay. Further, take the LCM 8, take the fraction 8 upon 15. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 13 in order to equate the denominator to 65 now. 13 8s are 104. 13 5s are 65. 11 upon 13, we will be multiplying both of them with 5 now. It will be 55 upon 65. Now the third step we are going to follow is that you have to simply subtract the numerator 104 minus 55 upon 65. So simply you have to subtract 55 from 104 now. 14 minus 5, that will be 9. 9 minus 5 will be 4. So you'll be left with 49 upon 65 now. Oh, where are you getting stuck in this? Please let me know.
How will we get 9?
You got only
No, how will we get 9 in place of 0 in the subtraction?
in the subtraction. Okay, pay attention here. This is 104 now and this is 5 here. Right? This is 55. Let me redo this for you. One minute. It's 104 minus 55. We can't subtract 5 from 4 now. So we'll be borrowing 1 from 10 now. From this 10, we will borrow 1. So it becomes 14. 14 minus 5 is how much? It's 9 now. And you already, from 10, we have borrowed 1 earlier. So now it is 9 now. 9 minus 5 will be 4. In fact, we can cross-check our answer by adding 55 and 49. We'll be getting 104 after adding this. 50 plus 40 is 90. 90 plus 9 plus 5 is 104 now. So you're doing a basic mistake in the subtraction here, Habib. Yes, Habib, you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Solve one more question on the same concept. Subtract 13 upon 15 from subtract another fraction. Let's take 22 upon 9. Do the subtraction. Just let me reverse this to 22 upon 9 minus 13 upon 15.
Nine.
How much you are getting?
9 upon.
9 upon
I'm
how much?
getting 9 upon. Oh, no. Wait.
Okay. Yes, Habib. What is the LCM?
45.
45. Well done. And what is the like fraction you're getting?
Like
Like 22 and 9, it has to be multiplied with a number, with a common number.
5.
That is 5. Very good. So that is equal to how much?
22 multiplied by 5. I'm doing.
Okay, do it.
11.
11 or
I mean,
110?
110.
110 upon 45. Okay. Now the other one is simple. This one will be simply multiplied with 13 upon 15. You will be multiplying it with 3 simply.
Yes.
That is 39 upon 45. Okay. Now now both of them are like fractions, so you can simply carry out the subtraction. So 110 minus 39 upon 45. Tell me what is the answer you're getting it. And do the subtraction carefully.
71.
How much you're getting? 71. Very good.
13 upon
45.
45.
Okay. So you're getting it. I'm going to give one more question on this. And you need to increase your speed of solving the questions. So now subtract. This is the question. 88 upon 17 minus 43 upon 15. First of all, find the LCM. And what is the LCM you're getting for these two numbers?
I'm doing.
Okay.
So I couldn't find the LCM of
LCM.
71.
Okay. See, LCM, what is the full form of LCM?
Lowest common.
Hmm.
Lowest common multiple.
Multiple. Okay. First of all, we have to take a prime number. If not, then we'll be taking some other number. Okay. So 17 and 15, is there any number which is common for both of them apart from 1? No, they don't have any other common divisor other than 1. So let us start with 3. Okay, 3 5s are 15. Now can we divide them any further? Can 17 be divided, or can 5 be divided any further?
Mm.
No, so we are going to stop here. So now the LCM will be simply their multiple. So 3 times 17 times 5. So you're going to simply multiply them now. That will be equal to 255. Getting it, Habib? The LCM is 255. So from there, now we are going to continue further. So you had difficulty in finding the LCM. See, basically, when we had such a number, like in this, we have 17 and 15. Only 15 can be divided by 3. 17 is a prime number, so it cannot be divided any further. Whenever you get a prime number now, just let it undisturbed. Don't do anything to it. Other than that, you have this composite number, 15. Okay, so we can break it. So it can be divided by 3. So we have divided it. So now after this, you are left with prime number. 17 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. Right, Abib? So there's no point in proceeding further. So we are going to simply find the product of these prime numbers, and that will be our LCM. Hope you understood this. Habib, you understood this step?
Yes.
Okay. Now
I
from
was
here,
doing the listing method. That's why.
okay, okay. No, if you were to do it by the listing method, that will take too much of time. Okay, now if you have smaller numbers or simpler numbers, for that you can do the listing method. Okay, now continuing further, 88 upon 17. So we have the equate the denominator to 255. Now how will I find it out? Yes.
I will do it.
Okay, okay, do it.
So 17 15s is equal to 255.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, no. In fact, there's a short method to find this out. For example, if a question were to ask you, like for example, 12 should be multiplied with what number to get 72? So an easy way to find it out is by simply dividing 12 with 72 with 12. So 12 6 are 72. So I should be multiplying 12 with 6 in order to get 72. Same thing is here. In order to get 255, 17 should be multiplied with what number? So I'm going to simply multiply 255 with 17 now, right? Getting it now. So 17 ones are 17, and then 17 fives are 85. So whenever in doubt, you have to simply divide the number. So yeah, you have to multiply it with 15. Continue further. So what are you getting here? 88 multiplied 15 is equal to?
Mm, two, no, 1320.
Very good. Upon 255. Well done. Now multiply 43 with 17. Yes, so what's the progress? What number you are getting?
713.
Very. 730? 31 you should be getting, right?
Yes.
731 upon 255, okay? And in the last step, you're going to simply do the subtractions.
Yeah. So,
Yes,
when will be my test?
test for this chapter fraction.
No. The other chapter, previous chapter.
Previous chapter, are you asking about the weekly test?
No. Till now, I just my first test was place value, right? Then after that, there was no test.
Okay. So that was actually, I think, the part of the weekly test, and weekly tests are being scheduled. Okay, now it has been scheduled, and you will be updated about that.
Okay. Should I do this word problem?
No, are you done with the previous question?
Yes.
What answer you are getting?
Subtraction.
After subtraction.
I didn't do that until.
No, do the subtraction quickly, no?
Is the answer 589 upon 255?
Very good. That is 589 upon 255. Well done. Okay. Now read the question properly, and write the question also in your copy and solve this. Let me read the question first. Rahul swam 4/5 of a lap in the morning and 7/15 of a lap in the evening. So how much farther did Rahul swim in the morning than in the evening? You understood the question? Basically, how much more he swam in the morning as compared to the evening? That's what we have to find. And how much he has swam, it has been mentioned in the question. Quickly write down the question. Write it down quickly.
Do we have to do subtraction in this?
What do you think? Like after understanding the question, what do you conclude from this? If the
Subtraction.
subtraction, because the difference is being asked, the question is asking that how much further did Rahul swim in the morning? In the morning, how much he swam more as compared to the evening? So obviously we have to subtract the fraction. And what are the fractions mentioned in this?
7 upon 15 and 4 upon 15.
4 upon no,
No,
4
4
fifth no.
upon 5.
So you understood, you have to first of all make them like fraction. So follow the steps and solve it.
Got it.
Got it? Okay, what is the answer?
10 upon 30.
Repeat again. 10 upon
30.
30. 30. 30. No, I don't think it is correct. First of all, Habib, look at the given fractions here. The fraction mentioned is that, like in the morning, how much he has swam? In the morning, he has swam 4/5, no? 4/5 of the lap. And in the evening, how much he has swam? 7/15, isn't it?
17.
Okay.
No. Answer is 10 upon 15.
10 upon 15, you're saying. See, that is, it is still wrong. It is not still wrong. Let me tell you why. First of all, you tell me, have you made them into like fractions? Did you converted these into like fractions?
Yes.
You have? Okay.
Yes.
Then what did you got after converting them into like fractions? See, it's 4 upon 5.
30.
What you will be getting? Let me switch to the other page. There's not sufficient space here. So you have 4 upon 5 and you have 7 upon 15. First of all, you're going to take the LCM. What is the LCM of 5 and 15?
30.
How much?
30.
30. How is it 30? That is the problem, no? 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. The LCM is simply going to be 5 multiplied 1 multiplied 3, no? 5 times 1 times 3. That is simply 15, no? How are you getting 30? That is not the right answer, okay? Now, can you continue from here or should I help you?
No, I will.
Okay, continue from here quickly. Yes, Habib. By now you should be done, I suppose.
Mm, 5 upon 15.
5 upon 15. Why you could be getting 5 upon 15, Habib? Tell me, 4 upon 5, you have multiplied both of them with which number? Will you multiply them with 3 each
I'll
of them?
multiply with 3. Yeah.
Huh? 3, no? So that will be 12 upon 15 now.
Yes.
Okay, what have you done? Tell me what you did.
No.
Hmm.
For the subtraction, I'm telling.
Okay, for the subtraction you're telling. Okay. Just 1 minute. For 7 upon 15, the denominator is already 15. So we are going to simply multiply both of them with 1. So it will be basically same. 7 upon basically 15. And for 5 upon 15, yeah, that is correct. And we are going to further simplify it. Okay, now as we are going to subtract it, that will be 12 minus 7 upon 15. So that will be 5 upon 15. Okay, now. But is it in the standard form? No, we have to simplify it further now. Getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Basically 5, this is 3 multiplied 5. So 5 are going to be cancelled. Basically, you know how we simplify the fractions now? We take their HCF and then we simplify them now by dividing both of them with their HCF. Try to recall this. We have learned about how to simplify the fractions. The HCF of 5 and 15 is? What is the HCF here? Find out the HCF now.
75.
How much? No, not 75. How can it be 75? HCF is the highest common factor. Highest common factor. For the number 5, the factors are 1 and 5 only, right? For the number 15, what are the factors of 15? Tell me.
15,
No,
30,
start
45.
from factors, Habib. Factors. Factors are the
Factors.
number with which it will be divisible. 1, 5,
1, 5, 3.
3 also.
3.
And 15 also, no? See, there's a basic difference. Only this much. Don't get confused in the factor and the multiple. Okay. Factors are the numbers with which a given number is divisible. You divide it, you will be getting remainder as 0. For multiple, you are going to simply multiply it with consecutive natural numbers like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and so on. So, which is the HCF here, which is the highest common factor?
So, can you give me another question?
Yeah, sure, I'm going to give it, but let us conclude this one also, no, Habib? पहले से हम conclude करते हैं. So the HCF is 5 here, isn't it? So now we are going to subtract both of them. Why we are doing so? Although you have got the answer 5 upon 15, but it is not in the simplest form now. To convert it into simplest form, we have to take its HCF and divide both the numerator and denominator with the HCF. So it will be 1 upon 3. Understood this? So your final answer is 1 upon 3. So as per the question, Rahul swam 1/3 of a lap farther in the morning as compared to the evening. He swam 1/3 of the lap farther uh, uh, in the morning as compared to the evening. You understood that now?
Yes.
Okay. Now let me give you one more question. Read the first question and do the first question. Sarah ordered a pizza and cut it into 8 equal slices. She ate 3 slices. What fraction of the pizza did she eat?
3 upon 8.
She ate 3 slices. What fraction of the pizza is it? So that is 3 upon it. Very good. Do the next one.
Um, 2 upon 6.
Okay, do the next one. For the second one, what answer you're getting, by the way?
2 upon 4.
2 upon 4. Okay, just 1 minute. This is the answer you're getting. Okay. So the question is saying here, a water bottle is filled with 3/4 of water. So there is this water bottle and it has been filled with water. Let's say 3/4 of the area of this is filled with water. This much is filled with water. Okay. Now further the question is saying that out of this now, 1/4 of the water is being poured out. Out of this, we have taken 1/4 of water. Let's say that this much of water has been taken out of it. Let me correct using this. Yeah, this much of water I have poured out of it. So now how much of water is left in this bottle? You understood this question? Basically, the question is saying that the the water bottle, initially how much of water was filled in it? 3/4 now, and you took out 1/4 of it.
Yeah,
So you have to
yeah.
find how much is left in this. So you are finding it to be,
2/4 remaining.
repeat again. So we're
There
going to
will be
simply,
2/4 remaining.
exactly 2/4 will be remaining now. Or we can simply simplify it to 1/2. Okay. Okay, continue further. Solve the third question.
Sir, your voice was breaking.
Yeah, I was talking about question number 3 actually. For the second one, did you learn about the second one?
Yeah, it's 2/4 answer.
That is 2/4. After simplification, it will be 1/2. Okay, no? Now continuing further here, question number 3. In a basket, there are 12 apples, and 1/3 of the apple are green in color. 1/3 of the 12 apples are green. So how many green apples are there in this? So you have to find 1/3 of the 12 now. 1/3 of 12 apples, as per the question, it is green. So you will find out of the 12 apples, 1/3 will be equal to how much? So 1/3 of 12 means 1/3 multiplied 12,
9.
not 9. That is 3/4 are 12, meaning that 4 apples out of the 12 are green in color. Okay, na? This will be learning in detail about in the case of the multiplication of the fractions. Okay. So far we have learned about the addition and the subtraction of like and unlike fractions. There are a few simpler questions from this, which we are going to do, and then we are going to continue with the next concept. Okay. So pay attention to the given questions here. Look at question number 2. Which fraction is equivalent to 3/4? Don't do the first one. That we'll be doing while we'll be learning about multiplication. Which fraction is equal to 3/4? Equivalent to 3/4? Is it 6/8? Is it 1/2? Is it 2/3? Or is it 5/6? Habib, can you tell
One
me the
upon two.
1/2 you're saying? No, that is not correct. Read the definition of equivalent fraction. What do we know about this? Equivalent fractions, we have learned that basically the fractions that represent the same value but with different numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator can be different, but they show the same value. Let me get you back to that concept. See, for example, look at these circles here.
Fractions that represent
Hmm.
fraction that represent the same value but have different numerators and denominators.
Exactly, no? Like take for example, these are two different circles here, and the same area has been shaded here, but they have been divided into different parts here. Like this circle has been divided into two parts, and this has been divided into how many parts? Count it, into 10 parts now. So this
Yes.
the shaded portion in this circle will be simply represented as 1/2, and the shaded portion in this circle you will be representing it as how? There are total 10 parts and 5 of them has been shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you're going
5
to
upon
simply
10.
5 upon 10 now. So although their numerator and denominator are same, but they are actually showing the same value. They're representing the same shaded region now.
Yes.
Okay. Also, while you will be simplifying these values now, when you will be simplifying 5 upon 10. So 5 upon 10, I can write 5 as 1 multiplied 5. I can write 10 as 2 multiplied 5. This 5 and this 5 is cancelled. I'm getting the same value 1 upon 2. And here also I had the same value. So actually, when you will be cancelling the numerator and denominator, you will be getting the same value eventually back. Okay. And we had also learned about how we can find the equivalent fractions, how you can find it out. Suppose, for example, a number 1 upon 3 is given, and you are required to find 5 equivalent fractions. So you will simply start by multiplying both of them with 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 3 2s are 6. Then next time you will be multiplying it with 3. 1 3s are 3, 3s is a 9. Then you will go on to multiply it with 4. 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 2. Like this, you can continue. So here 6 upon 8, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 5 upon 6. So let's say that 3 upon 4, I multiply it with 2 upon 2. As per the rule, if I have to find its equivalent fractions, so the numerator and denominator, both of them must be multiplied with the same number, right, Habib? So I will be
Yeah.
getting 6 upon 8 now. Is it given in the option
Yes.
right now? In no way you will be getting 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, or 5 upon 6. Okay. If you were to continue further, you will be multiplying it with 3. Both of them will be multiplied with 3. You will be getting 9 upon 12. But that is not there in the option. The first one is the correct answer. Option number A. Do the next one. Find the sum of 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4.
1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4.
Yes,
2 upon 4.
2 upon 4. But that is not in the option now. In the option, it is not given.
Wait, I will do it.
No, your answer is correct, but you need to simplify it further.
I'm doing that.
Okay, continue.
Is it 1 upon 2?
No, 1 upon 2. Yeah. It is 1 upon 2. Good. So 1 plus 1 upon 4, that is 2 upon 4. After simplifying, you'll be getting 1 upon 2. Very good. That is option number A is the correct one. Okay, now in question number 4, this we'll be doing while we'll be learning about the divisions of the fractions. Okay. Meanwhile, do the question number 5.
4 upon 6.
4 upon 6.
6.
Okay, very good. And 4 upon 6, it can be simplified further also. Although it is correct, but we can simplify it further now.
Yeah.
After
It
simplifying,
will
tell
be
me
2 upon 3.
2 upon 3. Well done. Okay. Okay, a fraction consists of a numerator
Denominator.
and a denominator. Good. The next question says that a fraction 2 upon 3 means 2 parts of. Read the question number 7.
3 equal parts.
3 equal parts exactly. To find a common denominator, we can use the
LCM? No.
exactly. Yeah, in fact, we can use the LCM of the denominator now. To find a common denominator, we use the LCM of the denominator now. First, you find the LCM and then you do it
Yes.
accordingly. Okay, then continue further. The fraction 5 upon 5 is equal
Is
to.
equal to 1.
Good. And when adding fraction, the denominators must be
When adding. Must be same.
same or equal. Good. Okay, I'm going to give you a word problem. Do this, or let's do one thing. Simply do the subtraction. Okay, because in that you're stucking a lot. Subtract the given fraction. First, be careful in finding the LCM, Habib. Habib, do one thing now. Just take the screenshot or write down this question, and you can send it solution to me because the other class will be starting now. Okay, Habib, write down this question, and once you'll be done, you can share the answer to me. Okay, or you can forward it to the team. From them, I will be getting it. All right, Habib.